What's up with it, YouTube? It's boy OCPCED. Appreciate all my subscribers, man. I got a new light. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. It is. But anyway, appreciate all my subscribers out there, man. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Got a new light on my phone. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to show y'all I'm a little doohickey. Hold up.
I'm going to decompress your spine. You're really going to feel it all the way down around his occiput, his mandible. Take a deep breath through your nose. Keep your teeth together. Let all your air out.
Oh.
Did you feel it? Relax your right in my hands. Same thing here.
That nigga fucked up. Look at it. Check it out.
Bring your legs over.
He can't even get up. Man, it's time. I'm trying to get him, Jay.
Okay, let your head relax right down in there.
Look at it.
You're going to feel this table popping up under your pelvis.
Here we go. Oh.
Okay, keep breathing. There you go. Good. And keep breathing. I got you.
There you
There you go. Breathe. That's it.
keep breathing.
There you go. Okay. I got you.
One more time, bro. Hit him.
Breathing.
Hit him.
Yep.
Oh, hit him.
Now these are all really sore on him right now because they've been out for a long time. Keep breathing. There you go.
You gonna kill him. That's a fact.
There it is. Good. Okay.
And all niggas say is keep breathing.
Stop breathing.
Keep
There
breathing.
you go. That's it.
I know you heard me, but keep breathing. Keep breathing. He started talking about keep
There
breathing.
it is. Do you feel that? Okay.
Nigga, I can't feel shit. My whole back is numb.
There you go. Should have felt that in your knee and your back. Did you? Let it go.
Man.
There you go. Okay.
Wait, that motherfucker.
There you go. I know this hurts like a dickens, but it'll feel better when I get done. There you go. Keep breathing. Yeah.
I can't.
Okay.
I can't
I'm just
take
on the muscles right now, so just keep breathing.
Nigga, you killing me. Mm-mm.
Believe me, my elbows
He ain't doing nothing but holding this
Terminator.
motherfucking breath.
Deep breath.
He hurt, man. Oh, God, nah. This nigga go get a motherfucking massager. Oh. He look like he trying to get drill this motherfucker got there. That's right.
See that pain barrier? Did that feel a little easier getting up to you? Yeah. Right there.
I know it does. Come on, breathe.
Okay.
Make sure you breathe.
Just hold that right there for just
Don't
a
move.
moment.
What the fuck is he shooting with? Oh, shit. Hey, man, y'all take care of y'all back, bro. You know what I'm talking about?
We'll see you next time.
Peace out.